My 3 best tips on how to create videos fast. This is Video Kickstart number 6. Welcome everybody. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. People come to me when they want some guidance on content strategy, video marketing. Maybe they want some help creating consistency in making their videos. I am so glad you're here. And I wanted to address a question I get from people a lot. They want some guidance on how to get started right away on making their videos and making their message known to more people, their audience, their clients, their customers. So it starts with 3 steps. Number 1, and this is what I found as being very successful, is get some accountability. That's what's happening here. So I'm hanging out at 1701 in Virginia Beach, and my buddy, Chris Lane, who is a videographer, a professional videographer, and very talented, and we are helping each other make our videos. So I'm using my iPhone, so I'm actually not even using his equipment, but we are keeping each other accountable to creating these videos on a regular basis. Some people can do this for themselves, and if that is you, fantastic. Then set yourself up with a plan to get moving and create some accountability for yourself. What that looks like for me is pulling out a calendar and figuring out when you're going to shoot your videos. Maybe that's every 3rd Monday, maybe that's twice a month, maybe it's every Saturday. Doesn't matter what it is, but put in your calendar the days that you are going to create these videos and make sure that you block that time off and protect it. So for us, we have 2 hours set aside for this accountability session, this video session. And I know that I have 1 hour max. I have an appointment that I have to leave for, and so I have a hard deadline. It's hard and fast. I cannot move it, and we will be done because of that reason. Give yourself some time constraints, and you will get the work done. And so that's what we've done here. I'm going to get these videos done in an hour, and then I've got to move on and get ready for the rest of my day. The third part of this is to batch all of your shoots. So in this hour, I'm planning to shoot 4 videos. Will they be perfect? Probably not, but we are giving ourselves time to create these 4 videos. Before the session that we have today, I took some time and I mapped out what I wanted to do these videos on. I have some bullet points of the things that I want to talk about, and now I'm sitting in front of the camera in this hour that I have, and these videos are going to be done. So here are my 3 tips once again to create videos fast. Number 1, accountability. Have somebody to help you get accountable and get your things done. Number 2, plan ahead. Mark the days on your calendar when you will create these shoots. And then the last part is pretty simple, is to batch your shoots. Create more than 1 video in the days that you have planned. For me, it's going to be 4 in one day. For you, it could be fewer videos, it can be more, but make sure that you use that time wisely and create more than 1 video in the time you have allotted. That's all I have for right now, my 3 best tips for creating videos fast. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you want to get more Video Kickstart videos when they come out. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.